If you're in a game where this is the case, you're gonna print money like it's Christmas, right? Like Christmas is happening every single day. The only reason why I've been able to make this kind of money a few years into business is because I never focus on hard work. I looked at every person that I've ever looked at who's somewhat rich, but like later in their life, they all got rich because they spent all their years working hard, pushing pushing a boulder up the hill all day, every day. And the only thing they got was they got old and they got a little bit of money. They got a little nest egg, but they're afraid to even spend it because of how hard it was to make that money. For me, I took a different path. I was like, there has got to be a different way. And that way was, I want to play what? Asymmetrical returns type of games. I don't want to sacrifice my life to get rich. I want to be able to make one decision and experience a million lifetimes worth of returns. And the only way that's possible was through what? Earned insight. Traditionally, acquiring earned insights required you to eat shit, required you to be punished, required you to suffer. Suffer so much that you end up seeing the world differently from how everybody sees it. And then from those new insights, you would make a decision to say, hey, I'm not going to sell what everybody sells. I'm going to sell to this market. I'm not going to deliver the way that everybody delivers. I'm going to go into this type of delivery model, right? Earned insight allow you to look at every single function of your business, even your business as a whole, your industry, everything, and say, is this the right game that I should be playing? Is it how I should be acquiring clients? Is it how I should be fulfilling? Should I even be running this type of business? And if it's not the right case, because of your earned insight, then it allows you to do what? To pick better games. Traditionally, it was impossible to have earned insight unless you suffered. But we've spent the last 5 months building something that we call the Truth Engine. What is the Truth Engine? The Truth Engine is essentially a set of agents that are orchestrated to find you the truth. We call it the Truth Engine because in the Bible it says that the truth shall set you free. And from the years of being in business, the only times I've ever made so much money that I couldn't fathom that I was even able to make it was not because I was working hard. It was because I discovered a truth, and that truth, I put it into my offer, put it into my content, put it into my sales assets, put it into our delivery model, and I made millions. And today, we're sharing it with the world.